Hey, what is up guys? John from Magic Tech Review. How are you guys doing today? And in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the, I have to actually look, Huawei Mate 20X. So this is the big device, guys, that they actually kind of compared to the Switch back at the conference and everything like that, that meeting that they had, that they launched it. So let's go ahead and take a look and see the specs and all that stuff. Go ahead and leave a like on the video if you enjoyed the content. Go ahead and subscribe to become part of the Magic Tech Review family, and comment down below what you want to see me look at CES or anything like that. And let's go ahead and get right into the video. Guys, John from Magic Tech Review. How are you guys doing today? And in today's video, we're going to be going ahead and taking a look at the Huawei Mate 20X right here. So this phone is massive. It is 7.2 inch display here, and I've been excited to actually hold this in my hand. And actually, ever since I seen it at the meeting they had, or the conference they had, I've been excited to actually hold this thing in my hand. It has a Huawei 987 nanometer mobile AI chipset. It's got your triple cameras on the back with ultra wide angle lens. It's got a 5,000 milliamp battery, which is pretty cool. Actually, my Super has a 5,000 milliamp battery. It says new handwriting experience. It's got a memory of 6 gigabytes and 128 gigabytes. The operating system is 9, so it is Pi up here. Front camera is a 24 megapixel front camera. The main cameras on the back are 40 megapixel, 20 megapixel, 8 megapixel. And then here are your apertures right here: f1.8, f2.2, f2.4. So let's just go ahead and take a quick kind of look around the phone and everything like that. Obviously, you know, it's gonna have your just standard type stuff, but I do want to just quickly glance out. You got your Netflix.
That's really cool. A lot of AI.
I couldn't get anybody to really talk with me on this one, so. But yo, that camera right there on the front is beautiful. Let me tell you guys, wow. I wish I was using this to film stuff, but oh well. So yeah, that camera on the back or the front is beautiful. Let's go ahead and take a look at the back camera. Yeah, that back camera is also, yeah, it's gorgeous, man. This thing is definitely flagship quality, flagship pricing, everything that you could want in a phone, pretty much, with the big display. This thing is wow, dude. Yeah. If I had the money for it and really money was no object, pretty much, this would probably be the phone I'd be rocking, no doubt. But anyways, guys, this is John from Magic Tech Review. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this little preview of the Huawei Mate 20X. Not the newest device in the world. Obviously, it's been put out or whatever, but I did want to take a moment to actually take a look at the Mate 20X. So go ahead and leave that like as usual, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.